Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the app and going straight to Settings because that's where lock controls live. Make sure you updated the app and granted security permissions, otherwise lock options remain hidden. Once inside Privacy or Screen Lock, choose lock type, PIN, password, or biometric, and enter your preferred code. You do this now to create the primary barrier. This first step prevents accidental exposure and prepares the app for the deeper configuration that follows. Now you configure how and when the lock engages so it matches your workflow. Choose whether the app locks on open, after backgrounding, or only when you manually lock. Each option balances convenience versus security. Enable fingerprint or face unlock for speed, but make a strong PIN as a fallback. Then set auto lock timeout and hide sensitive notifications. These fine-tune exposure risk. Make sure to save changes and note how often the app will re-authenticate so you know when credentials are required. Finish by verifying the lock actually works. Close the app and reopen it to confirm both biometric unlock and PIN fallback function. If you set background lock, switch apps and return to test resume behavior. Also enable a recovery method like email reset or a master password so you never lose access. If the lock fails, try clearing cache or reinstalling the app and make sure device-level security, screen lock, isn't conflicting. That troubleshooting step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.